I just showed you guys a makeup video and I thought, well, why not just show you the hair? I have to do this so fast. I'm in a hurry, as usual. And I showered and blew out my hair last night, but as you can see, there's a little bit of frizz. So I'm just gonna run a curling iron through it pretty fast. And I'm not even gonna really section it. Alexa's talking to me. I'm not gonna section it really small because I've got to go fast and it's heating up. Hold on a second. Oh, I better clean that up. I do that all the time. I go out and I realize that I have makeup on the back of my hand and I can't get it off. See, that lasts a long time. That's the Huda Beauty blush, by the way. It does last. Okay, let's just see if I split this down the middle, what can happen? Because I don't want it curly necessarily. I just want to smooth these ends, but I don't want to use a straightening iron because I don't like my hair straight. I want volume. So that's one side, that's the other side. And I'm not bringing it right up to the root because it's not frizzy and that would just take longer. So I'm not going to do that. Oh, that one curled better, didn't it? Oh, it did. Does it matter? No, I'm in a hurry. Let's see if I can just do it in 3 sections. Actually, I don't mind my hair up like this. I could have done that too. I could have just smoothed it out and put it up. So this section probably will be 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm holding it fairly low because I don't want it to be big. Yep, so this will be the second section in the middle, and the other side will be 2 sections. You're getting the idea, I think. Should be able to get the idea. It's just the heat running through these ends that it's gonna make, you see how shiny that gets compared to this? It's not that it's bad, I just want it to be a little bit shinier. That's it. Not much of an explanation. I think visually you can see the difference. And we'll see, this has taken me not 3 minutes yet. My hand looks so pale compared to my face. Age does that. If my face had never seen the sun, it would be this color, but I'm permanently stained. Okay, now I'm at the top here. Whoa, where'd it go? Oh, I don't have time for this. Get that. Okay. This might even end up going back because I kind of like it off my face. In fact, I really like my hair off my face because I don't like it touching. It tickles, and I find myself playing with my hair a lot when it's down. And I think that might be annoying for other people. I'm lucky that when I slept last night, I didn't end up with a big hole right here, which I usually do when I sleep on it. I've got that deep crown that makes it part there. Oh, it drives me crazy. I'm fighting it constantly when I'm styling my hair. Styling my hair is not bad. It's the day after. It just wants to go back to that deep part. It looks like I'm bald in that spot. And it doesn't have to be held for very long, as you can see. See? Not only is it fast, but it's really not damaging my hair because it's not there very long at all. I have not had my hair professionally cut since 2019. It's all been me. Sometimes I can tell, but oftentimes I can't. Okay, last section. Is it? Can it be? Okay, 5 minutes it's been. Running it through, running it through. This is curling and that's gotta go. I may need to spend a bit more time on that. We'll see. Why does that happen? How am I going to fix that? Because I don't want it to be curly. I just want it to bend the other direction. You can see the mess I have behind me. My room is a mess. That worked. Yep, that worked. Whoop, I missed. Same here. I really don't want it curly. I just want to bend. That's curling in too. I got a hook. No. Not bad, guys. 6 minutes. So, to save time, shower the night before. Blow it out. Get it off your scalp. At least style your bangs and get your roots dry and fluffy. Like tip it upside down to get the volume. And then the rest can be done the following morning, like this. Again, kind of flipping it back. Want to bend. That's kind of, did that work? Yeah, not too curly, not too frou-frou. Just a little bit of a bend. Did I do a good job on the back? You tell me. Did I? Did I miss anything? No, I did a good job. Look at me. 7 minutes and 30 seconds. If I'm picky, that part's kind of bothering me. Why is that? Let me just get this one thing, and then I'm gonna get some, then I'm gonna brush my teeth and get some lipstick on. Time goes by so fast. What is this lip liner? I just pulled it out. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Taupe, and it is a drier pencil, allowing me to get a nice sharp line, although I'm not being very specific. What a difference. Again, it's just like putting a frame on art. Fill it in a little bit. Doesn't have to be that complicated. Now, what lipstick am I gonna wear? I want it to last. That feels a bit brown. A little darker than I wanted, but that's okay. I gotta go as she puts more on. I didn't say I was going for a natural lip. I said I was going for a natural eye. Oh, look at how odd my brows look. I just noticed. Nobody else will notice. I get that. But this one really comes down, eh? Yeah, I think this brow needs to be plucked up higher, but at this point, it's not gonna happen because I gotta go. I hope this video helps inspire you to try new things, to play. That's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.